Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech24. Today, we're taking a deep dive into an innovative outdoor storage solution, the Outdoor Storage Shed Tiny House Mobile Expandable Plastic Prefab House. This modern and sturdy steel storage house is perfect for those who need extra space for storage or even as a tiny house option. With its lockable door and window, you can be sure that your belongings are safe and secure. One of the best features of this expandable plastic prefab house is its large space. At 19 lira xw 20 xh 8 feet, after expand, it offers a generous storage capacity of around 292.5 sqft, making it perfect for storing all your outdoor equipment or acting as a small living space. The expandable design and easy transport make it a convenient option. Manufactured in a factory, it can be folded to save space when shipping to you, and it's convenient to assemble and disassemble. Plus, it can be moved frequently, giving you the flexibility you need. Not only that, but this container house is safe and durable. Composed of a steel structure and flame-retardant foam wallboard, it's waterproof and thermally insulated, making it a reliable option for outdoor use. With windows providing natural light and ventilation, this expandable container house creates a comfortable and secure environment for all your storage needs. And the best part? It's easy and fast to assemble as long as it's installed on a flat surface. If you're in need of extra storage space or looking for a unique tiny house option, this Outdoor Storage Shed Tiny House Mobile Expandable Plastic Prefab House is the perfect solution. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one today. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more innovative tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.